Welcome to GSK7 channel. In this video, we will talk about this new smartphone Infinix Zero 20. Before we go to start this video, please subscribe this channel GSK7. Infinix Zero 20. Infinix Zero 20 launch date in Pakistan 14th October 2022. The Infinix World Smartphone Company introduced new Infinix Zero 20 mobile phone in Pakistan today on 14th October 2022. Zero 20 is packed with industry-first 60 megapixel with OIS optical image stabilization selfie camera, and it will best vlogging camera phone. Ultra gameplay processor MediaTek Helio G99 6nm octa-core processor 2.2 GHz plus 2 GHz high-performance monster engine. The Infinix Zero 20 has 8 GB RAM, 128 and 256 GB internal storage, and 256 GB support microSD card. The camera setup in Zero 20 main camera, 108 MP super night camera plus 13 MP plus 2 MP selfie camera. The screen size Infinix Zero 26.7 inches display size and IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, resolution to 4001080 pixels FHD plus AMOLED cinematic display. 4500 mAh power battery and 45W supercharging with TUV rain and security certified. Main specs. Colors: space gray, green fantasy, glitter gold. Weight 196 g. Dual SIM, dual standby. Size 6.7 inches. Resolution FHD plus 1080 x 2400 pixels. Technology AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, multi-touch. Protection glass front. Processor. CPU octa-core 2x2.2 GHz Cortex A76 plus 6x2.0 GHz Cortex A55. GPU ARM Mali G57 MC2. Chip MediaTek Helio G99 6nm. Operating system Android 12. Main 108 MP plus 13 MP plus 2 MP. Front 60 MP plus OIS. Video 2K at 30 FPS 1080p at 60-30 FPS 720p at 30 FPS. Features 2K video recording, OIS stabilization, panorama, HDR, dual LED flash. RAM 8 GB. ROM 128 GB to 156 GB. MicroSD support up to 256 GB. Sensor. Fingerprint, proximity sensor, light sensor, gyroscope, e-compass, G-sensor. Battery. Non-removable Li-ion 4500 mAh. 45W supercharging, TUV rainland security certified. Thanks for watching this video. For more information about this phone, visit. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.